Hi everybody, Kieran here from Magical Traveller. Hope you're having a great day. Today we are on board the Valiant Lady and we are inside a room, so I just thought I'd give you a quick little look around. You can kind of see the main space here and from the mirror, but just to give you a bit of bearings, that's obviously the doorway we just came in. We've just walked in, and just here now you've got kind of your closet where you can store your clothes. Really nice storage space at the top there for storing things. Plenty of hangers, and you can ask for more if you wanted to. And they do have a laundry service on board. It is dry clean laundry, so you haven't got an onboard laundrette. So if you are looking to get clothes cleaned, then just keep that in mind that you do have to kind of pay per item. But you've got this handy space there for kind of suitcases and some storage space there. And then just as a quick note, as you do come in, this is where your room lights are going to be, as well as your do not disturb and room service lights as well. I love this curtain. It's really cool, kind of shimmery effect on it. It's a really nice touch. And then you've got this nice closet here as well, then to store stuff as well. So that's where you'll find your life vest, some towels if you need them to take to the pool deck, but there are towels on the pool deck as well. You've got your room safe, there's a hairdryer in there, and then plenty of drawers for storing things as well if you want to unpack fully, with a bit of space under there as well. And then again, a full-length mirror. Hey everyone, we are getting off board, so we've had 3 days on board now. I'm a little bit delicate, let's put it that way, but we've had a fantastic time on board. Then you've got your mini fridge. So they've changed things slightly. If you would have seen our last video of Onboard Scarlet, you've got these nice new softer wood detailing, but you've got your mini bar here there as well. So there's like a little stool there for the desk, and then you've got your little sitting area here, desk if you want to use it, with water and some new artwork on the walls as well. Gorgeous mirror again with that slight iridescent effect, which you'll see on a lot of the mirrors and walls throughout the ship. It does a really cool transition effect, which is really nice and fun to look at. And then this cool little thing here is your kind of tablet that controls the room, so you can control all the lights in here as well, which is a really cool touch. And it's got some really cool modes as well, so you can kind of turn it into, where are they? Can't find them now. You've got some really cool modes in here as well, so you can kind of set the tone of the room if you wanted to, whether you're kind of, reading, working, things like that. Just really, really handy to have that. And we could also then use this to watch TV if you wanted to, or to watch kind of films as well. So you've kind of got a choice of all films. You just control it from the tablet, which is completely, obviously, wireless, pick upable. Control all your lights here, there, and then that also sets what's on the TV as well there. At the moment, we're currently watching the ship view, so we can get a view of what the weather's like outside before we get dressed. And then just over to the bed then. Now, honestly, this is a really comfortable, really spacious bed. We've loved sleeping in this bed. In fact, I may have recovered from a hangover or two in this bed over the course of this sailing. But then you've got this nice little extra feature that wasn't on board Scarlet when we were on board last time. She's got kind of this handy tray for the side, so if you are kind of having a drink or something to eat in bed, you've got that. As well as the other side then, that one has a movable one, so you can kind of move it around the room if you wanted to and use it as either a desk, or obviously as another bedside table while you are kind of eating or drinking in bed if you wanted to. Just a note then, you've got more light switches there, so you don't have to use the tablet, as well as then power sockets, so USB and American plugs. On the other side, it's a little bit different, so you have light switches there as well, but just so you know, if you are sharing with somebody in a twin configuration, this bed does transfer out. So you've got kind of the long ways bed there as bed 1, and then bed 2 comes along here as well. They can also configure that into a kind of living room seating table space, so you do have more room to sit down in if you wanted to, but they're not configuring them at the moment for that. They're keeping them into kind of the bed configuration, but you can ask if you do want to. And then again, that's where then you're going to find more power sockets there, and the 2 USB sockets this side as well as, just while I remember, you've got more power sockets and then a European and American adapter there as well if you need extra power. And then lastly, just to take you into the bathroom, again, pad and the mess. The towels are obviously usually laid out really lovely, and your soap's all looking fresh. We've just spent a couple of nights in this room as well, so you've got a really lovely bath here, typical cruise bathroom again, but really lovely toiletries. We love these red flower toiletries, they smell amazing. But this shower head is great. Really lovely shower pressure from this. You're going to feel really refreshed every time you have a shower in this room. We really do enjoy it. So yeah guys, that's it. I just thought I'd share with you, just because we've been staying in this for 2 nights now, on board Valiant Lady, doing one of the last UK sailings as she kind of goes off on her first UK season. If you are ever thinking of booking a Virgin Voyages cruise, bear in mind we are Virgin Voyages experts. We would love to help you find the perfect sailing with Virgin and help you set sail the Virgin way. Keep an eye out, search online for Magical Traveller, and we'd love to give you a hand. All the best, take care, bye.